Transform your online presence by building a WordPress website that truly comes alive with dynamic content and user interaction. First, let's dive into the power of plugins. Think of these as extensions that add incredible functionality. For intuitive drag-and-drop page building, we'll install and activate a popular page builder plugin like Elementor. This lets us visually design every element without touching a single line of code. Next, we select a robust theme. A well-coded theme provides a strong foundation for dynamism and ensures your site performs optimally. We'll activate a flexible theme that supports advanced features. Now, with our page builder, we can start creating dynamic content. We'll add engaging elements like image carousels that automatically rotate, animated parallax, scrolling effects where background content moves at a different pace than foreground content, and interactive forms that capture visitor information. User interaction is key. We'll add calls to action, like custom buttons that link seamlessly to other pages or sections of your site, encouraging visitors to explore further. A truly dynamic website must be responsive. Our chosen tools will automatically adjust your content's layout to look stunning on any device, from desktops to the smallest mobile screens, ensuring a consistent and enjoyable experience for everyone. By combining powerful plugins, a flexible theme, and thoughtful design, you can create an interactive and engaging WordPress website that captivates your audience and adapts to their needs.